Okay, thank you, Kayla Blumen. I am going to just use your Chumash core class as an example. So if I'm going to go into my grade book, and I will notice that I have no final exam listed here. In order, though, for me to be able to start putting my final exam in, I need to make an assignment type. So I'm going to add an assignment. I'm just going to call it final. Okay. I'm going to select assignment type, just going to call it a test or exam. It doesn't really make a difference. Final, max points, 100. Kayla, if you wanted to make it worth more or less, feel free to edit the max points. I'm going to then, I guess we'll make it to, I don't know, the 17th, 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 okay, and press save. Okay, so now the final is listed here, and now I can just easily add my grades. And when I'm talking about in terms of making it an average, applying a weight to it, all I need to go is edit setup, which is the same way that you applied weights to your different assignment types. You'll notice that for many of you guys, I added weights for your midterm. You're just going to go scroll down to your final exam, and for weight, press 100. And then you press save and close. If you can't see the save and close on the bottom, just minimize your screen, press save and close, and you are done. And if I added, let's say, Tavila in theory, let's say she got an 80, and now the percentage will appear. And that's it.